discount. To find the discount, multiply the starting amount by the percent. And then after finding the discount, subtract the discount from the starting amount. So let's go look at a few examples with this. Example 1. The cost of a 15-foot piece of 13 over 32 inch air conditioning hose is $72. A 20% discount is given. What is the new price of the item with the discount? So the first thing we need to do is recognize we have a starting number and we have our percent. And so the first thing we actually do is we're going to change the percent to decimal, as that's what we multiply in order to get the discount. So when we do 20%, we really can say it's over 100, as that's what 20% means. And then we get 0.2. So next we're going to multiply. So we go 72 times 0.2. So we'll just multiply that by 72 and we get 14.4. And then the next step will be to subtract. So we have the starting number minus the discount, as this is the discount. So we have our starting number of 72 minus 14.4. So we have 72 minus 14.4, which is then is $57.60. And this would be our new price for the hose. So let's go ahead and do another example. So example 2, a cost of service is $1,250. A 25% discount is given if paid in cash. So what is the new price with the discount if paid in cash? So our first step, once again, is to convert the percentage to the decimal. So we take the 25, put it over 100, and that will give us 0.25. Next, we're going to multiply. And we're going to multiply by that number by our decimal now from our percent. So we have 1,250 times 0.25. So we'll get our calculators out. And we get 312.50. And then the last step is to subtract. So we're going to take the 1,250 minus 312.50. So here we have our final price if paid in cash, which is $937.50. So let's do one final example. Example 3. A cost of an oil change was $74.50. A 31% discount was given for a promotion. What was the cost of the oil change with the discount? So our first step is to change the percent to decimal. So we get 31 over 100, which gets us to then 0.31. Our step 2 will be to multiply. So we're going to multiply these two numbers, but we're going to take the decimal though. So we have 74.50 times 0.31. And we get $23.10 because we're going to round to our nearest hundreds. And then our final step will be to subtract. So we take the 74.50, which is our starting number, and we're going to subtract it from our discount of 23.10. And we get $51.40. So this was the cost of the oil change with the discount. So remember, when finding the discount, multiply the starting number by the percent, which we have changed to the decimal. Then you will subtract the starting number from the discount to get the new price.